If I got to design the makeup looks for the new season of Euphoria, this is the look I'd create for Maddy. Her style is a lot of darker tone neutrals with sparkles and rhinestones, so I feel this dark black and silver rhinestone makeup look would fit her style. Starting with black all over the lids and crease in a wing-like shape. Then blending that out with a dark gray. Then using a dark sparkly silver in the inner corners. And adding rhinestones to the inner corners. Then finishing the look with false lashes and a dark red lip. I love Maddy's makeup style and think this would work well with her character. I always love a dark makeup look with rhinestones, but let me know what you guys think. Do you think Maddy would wear a look like this? And what kind of makeup looks are you looking forward to seeing in the new season of Euphoria? Let me know in the comments down below.